Hi guys, so today we're going to be learning how to make pickles. So you need your jars, vinegar, your cucumbers and salt. So next you need 1 cup of water. So we're going to be adding 1 cup of water to this pot. Then 1 cup of vinegar. So the cup you used to measure your water should also be the same cup you used to measure your vinegar. So in this pot now we have 2 cups of water and 2 cups of vinegar. Next you need a tablespoon of salt. So we added 2 tablespoons of salt to this solution. Then you stir. Then after which you heat it a little bit so that the salt crystals will dissolve. Heat it on the fire. Then you sterilize your jars, because it's going to ferment in an anaerobic environment. Then you cut your cucumbers. Then we have some spices, ginger, garlic and cloves. Then you start putting your cucumbers inside the jar. You just stack it, make sure that there's no space. Then this is the final when we finish stacking. So after you stack, you now put your spices. You can put the ginger, garlic, cloves all together. We have different varieties here, and we also have one that don't have any flavor. So you put your solution, it's called a brine solution. You put it into it and make sure that you leave a space. It should not be totally full, so you leave a space between the brine solution and the jar. So then you stir, you turn it really well so that everything will mix pretty well, especially if you are using spices. So you give it a good shake, and that was how we made 5 different flavors of pickles. We have pickles, then we have pickles plus ginger plus clove plus garlic. We have pickles plus only ginger. Then we have pickles plus garlic and pickles plus clove and ginger. So that's how you make your pickles. You leave it for 2 to 4 hours, but the longer you leave it, the more. So you can leave it for 7 days, a month, and you enjoy your pickles. Ciao.